We are here from the ANC, One Love, One Family, from the ANC. Ne? ANC, there is life. So, One Love means a lot. Ne? Thank you. Siyabonga kumama uBernie Swarts. Ne? Yeah, Deputy Minister.
Deputy Minister uBernie Swarts, ANC member, uthi uSherry Sonka nani. Yeah, that's you.
Mara guys, South Africans, in order for someone to take you serious and respect you, you need to respect yourself and take yourself serious. Hore o ka tlo fodisiwa line ka mahara sekwa ba o fe borotho ba bo bo salletseng ke one day hore bo expire. Longevity ya borotho o expire ke 7 days to 8 days. Borotho bo bo salletse ke one day hore bo expire. Ba bo tsere ko Blue Ribbon, ba bo tsere ko Albany. Ke marotho a ba afang go ka ya ko arte BS wa ya ko Lorry Park wa ya ko kae ko go naleng ko bo barking a veterinary kwa ko Onderstepoort kwa ko Centurion Zoo. Ke marotho a ba afang diphologolo, a ba afang ditshwene, ba afang dinonyane o kre ba fufurile bjana because of a ila expire and then ba ba fa mahala. So bona ba tlhwatse that's why ba tladitse trailer ra bana ke marotho ne tshontsong ba fe diphologolo, ba fe dinonyane a mang ba isa ko Paul Kruger tshontsho. I know hore di lorry tsa bo Blue Ribbon o kre di le ko Paul Kruger kwa dio fa maeba a ko Paul Kruger kwa. So bona ba tlhwatse ba tladitse di lorry ba fa batho because of they don't take South Africans serious. They taking South Africans, they treating them like numbers. Guys, ANC ba stoutu bona ba dimpa tsa o lekella ba dimpa tsa phepelo tlase ba stoutu. And ntse go le fela bea marotho ilo expireang a ilo salang because of kidimpja ba ilo rekisa and ba pocketa tšhelete teng. Marotho a ke tshontsong a thuse di institute tsa o tshwana le bo zoo, institute tsa o tshwana le bo mini zoo, institute tsa o tshwana le bo pleke tsa o tshwana le ko bo Paul Kruger mo go na le maeba, pleke tsa o tshwana le bo Zoo Lake. Marotho ke tshontsong ba ireng ba ilo a fofora ba fe dinonyane or ba fe ditshwene. Ke marotho tshontsong ba fe ditshwene because of ba fa ona mahala. That's why ba latile ka trailer. That's why ba latile ka trailer with the trailer ba ilo fa our very own black people marotho a saletseng ke 1 day ya expire because longevity ya borotho ke 7 to 8 days. Bo salletse ke 1 day ho expire. Ka bo shufru tle be bo nka mef, tle be bo nka mold ka bo shufru. And I want to say to you guys, if you want people to take you serious, you must take yourself serious. Respect yourself so that other people can respect you. Take yourself serious so that other people can take you serious. No. Instead of West bara motho bara one loaf per family, what if le family ya batho ba 20? Go bontsho ba le bontsho re leletsa favor re tlholezolela ha ona tšhelete ba intshitse mara ke sure go na le invoice e tswileng ya gore go tlhorekiwa marotho, ke sure go na le invoice. And if you don't believe me, South Africans, e ya go di bakery no ba butsang gore marotho a salletseng ke di 1 day to 2 days to expire ba isa kae ba tlo le botsa exactly ntwe ke le botsang yona. They went by ilo a rola ka trailer marotho a nkebeng a ile ko arte BS kwa. Marotho a nkebeng a ile ko Centurion Zoo a shia ba tlo lata ba fa batho because of they treating people like numbers dilo tsa ko ANC le dimpa tsa mala phepelo tlase le marawa o katela di stofi ka mo morao. But guys, I wanna party in Telegram ka NC. I don't want to lie to you. on a party in Telega. And if people by Tipiller ANC Rata, I was an ANC member for the longest years because my dad Nelly ANC, my mom Nelly ANC, my brothers Nelly my ANC, but my ANC. I'm the only one fellow Kituling in Silikiling. And I don't think I'll ever go back. I don't think it will never happen. It will never happen. I'm sorry, excuse my French, my fellow South Africans and my beautiful people. NC to alaba to the chila, o feba to starch sebiana. Ya want for abareka. Because boroto botsa mali tuki really melekele matlhari look ofi. Wena tlo ba shitlemetsa ka lofe wane le hona fa gumoya. Le stouto lena le dimpa tsa maratha le stouto lena magodu wa ANC. Es for lena le tsia marotho a le ithate ba le telletse ka boshiu ba le tlela sigzo ka boshiu ba sa le fele metsi a re lo mixa ka yona ba le tlela sigzo le tsona tso ba di kra go makuleng a ba ba tlhaselang ba ba tswallisa di shop ba di tsa go teng ba tlisetsa lona ba di tsa go teng ba tlisetsa lona a le ithate shem South Africans. We are busy fighting for ba le fe human dignity mar le re busetsa morao. As EFF members, we are fighting for human dignity. Marlena ke lena le ba alawang gore ba nnentse ba le gatella ka o tsia marotho a bona wela o bola lemborile man lemborile bo botlhe sokotsa se lena fela le sokotseng.
I am not buying la apology ye ANC with regards to the one bread one family campaign. Andifuna nixoxela guys ANC zange yanikhathala abantu abamnyama. I hope nonke you're not buying la apology too, because bubukrwada obuya ucelele umuntu ukuthi one bread is enough to feed a family. Nini. ANC doesn't give black people dignity. Shame. Ayinikhatelanga tu as one abamnyama. Ayinikhatelanga tu. It's so out of touch. Udali out of touch ANC. And ngicela unikhumbuza ukuthi ANC ayiqali lento. Ningalebali last year bengenanhloni ukutya imali that was meant to help abantu baseThembisa. Masikhumbuleni iThembisa Hospital 2 billion rand bayitya ababi nanhloni tu. Bayitya i2 billion ababi nanhloni tu, even though they know ukuthi ukutya kwabo la 2 billion rand it would mean ukuthi abantu baseThembisa bazofa, because if a hospital is ill equipped abantu bayafa. Sibonile ukuthi kuze kubiwe la 2 billion rand abantu baseThembisa kukwi sections apha. Ndicela mina as someone who's been to that hospital, kukwi section eThembisa ezifuna urenovate ngoku, kukwi section echileyo ayikalungiswa nangoku. Akho bed eThembisa kwabantu balela phansi, but iANC yona icengene nantoni iLamborghini. Nindicela ke ukungumuntu lo okhathalela abantu bamnyama, impilo yabantu bamnyama. Nindicela ke ukungumuntu okhathalela the black life. Can you tell me bethu nani? Nindicela ke ukungumuntu lo who cares about the black life. Can you tell me? Umuntu who doesn't care ukuthi when you die undicela uyakhathalela lo muntu. Hayi ndicela bethu nani, does that person consider your life now?
People do not only deserve to eat when it's time for elections. ANC MP and Deputy Minister Bernice Swart is at the center of a viral video that showed her and other volunteers wearing ANC-approved branded clothing, distributing loaves of bread to families while stating that the ANC is the right party to vote for. Now, before we get up in arms, we just need to get the facts straight. The ANC has come out to confirm that this was not part of any approved election campaign. Therefore, it was done within her own time. But that's not what I'm annoyed about. As a media professional myself, I oftentimes look at elections as time for parties to essentially be marketing themselves and convincing us as to why we need to vote for them. There are these very underhanded, undignified election campaign strategies that they're taking. We just saw with recent billboards making fun of the ANC and their failure of Johannesburg, which, don't get me wrong, are very true, and obviously you'd think that would work for you. However, for me as a potential voter, I oftentimes look at other political parties bashing or using the lack of delivery from their opponents as a reason to vote for them as quite pathetic, because at the end of the day, you're telling me that you're better than this person, but you're not telling me why. The ANC has always been tone deaf. with their election campaigns, because service delivery is only delivered when we either have visitors or when it's time for elections. And I don't know who thought giving bread to people would be a great idea, but I can't even hate the ANC for that, because they've come to confirm that that's not part of their election campaign. But real or not, or confirmed or not, it goes to show that these people do not have media teams advising them on how to convince voters to vote for them. It's not about throwing shade. It's not about proving as to why you're better than the person. It's about putting yourself up in front of the people and saying that I will deliver service delivery. We can't just be Twitter warriors. We cannot be electing Twitter warriors as officials within the city. So as we get ready for the elections, I just wanted to take this opportunity to just say that please be careful of the election campaigns. Judge the parties on their election campaigns. If you feel like an election campaign is childish, use that as an ability to inform your vote. Because at the end of the day, this is the chance to prove as to why you should be in power. And you're using that opportunity to essentially make fun of others. You're paying millions in advertising and in putting up billboards and in distributing all of this media just to go ahead and use American style tactics of election campaigning. That's not going to work. We need to show these elections or these politicians that as South Africans, we deserve so much more effort. Like it's time for you to talk to us as equals and not as people in power trying to have a power struggle and only remembering that we exist.
The ANC is in dire need of our marketing and PR help, because tell me why their latest campaign is just not landing. Let's talk about it. Hi guys, I'm Lebo Lion, the voice of marketing and your friend in all things marketing, brand building, and sometimes pop culture. One family, one loaf, one family. I mean, this is the new strategy that the ANC has for the upcoming elections. They're going to townships and rural areas and they're basically saying, we've got one loaf for one family, for each family, to show you how committed we are to helping you as leaders of your communities. I mean, to call this tone deaf is just wild business. There is so much going on in our country. There's a war happening, allegations of corruption, banks doing all these crazy things. And the best the ANC can come up with is one loaf, one family. I think they need our help. Or maybe this is exposing the party and really showing you what's in store for you if you vote for them. I don't know. Let me know in the comments section what you think this is saying about the ANC. And if you're part of the team, what would you do? What would you change? How would you campaign for them?
We are here from the ANC, one love, one family, from the ANC. Ne? ANC, there is life. So one love means a lot. Ne? Thank you. Siyabonga kumama uBernice Swart. Yeah, Deputy Minister.
I mean, there was even a video they were showing of the team planning and saying, T-shirts aren't going to work anymore. People don't want T-shirts. They want something new. And they recorded this. And then the one family, one loaf was the new strategy they came up with. All those people sitting in one room. That is low-key embarrassing, right? I think the thing about social media and us living in this digital world in South Africa, where we have the highest rate of digital adoption and mobile users, is that you have to be so careful of what you're posting online because so many people are going to see it. So actually, once you're posting anything online, you've started your campaign. You've started your campaigning. The fact that they showed us those behind the scenes, I think, was a big mistake. And now whoever's taking videos of the one loaf, one family, one loaf is actually just adding insult to injury. So let me know in the comment section what you think. Would you help them? Or do you think that this is revealing exactly what the ANC is really doing for our country in this day and age? Let me know in the comment section below.
Ashidiwe pheli. Ya, ngila dibona. Ke re la bona phela nkere. And then I ke bolela ke re nna tswelo pele ke rena re gana rona Basotho. Mo ke deputy minister ya Department of Fisheries and Environment, deputy minister. O tla ka re deputy minister ya Department of Environment and Fisheries ko national kwa deputy minister na tlile mo pheli DM Maloba kwa ale ko moshongo le site la bo Brazzaville kwale ko Ward 71 le Ward 72 guys, utliste marotho utliste marotho to fa batho marotho, guys, to fa batho marotho. La bona re guys di politician ba re bone bjang, especially ANC. Guys, if we itse Mushongo, we itse Brazzaville, we itse Marabastata, we itse Mphalane, guys, we can't be this can't be it, guys. Guys, ko Mushongo re na le problem ya crime, re na le problem ya unemployment, re na le problem ya go bolaiwa ga batho. And then the deputy minister just comes to Atteridgeville, at least a marotho, guys. At least a marotho. 32 years into democracy, guys. ANC is still distributing bread, marotho. Abaribone bathoba. Abaribone, and nage phela ke bolela ke re, ANC is still going to give us this treatment cause ra ba tloela mo locationing ba ire ka mkho. Ba tle ba fe batswedi ba rena marotho fetsa ba tsamaya. Guys, una le batho ba le graduates ko high, na le people who are non-graduates ko high ba ntse mo location aba bereki. And then DM ke deputy minister wa environment and fisheries go di tshila go Mushongo ha di bone lo tse tsotlhe ra tele project ba tlokoloma gore ba tle dirang o decide le gore no o tsa Albani at least marotho Albani. Guys, e ntse re bone, guys, and ra ba tlogela guys, it's sad, guys. It's very sad. It can be 32 years into democracy. Ba feta registering to vote. Let's go and register to vote, ba feta. Nna ke le go bolela maaka mfito. Ko Mushongo thobola ke tlala blind and abanya ke marotho Albani because on fide lo fo nthusa inkirilang. People want job, people want to work for themselves, people want employment. But ANC e ka se di tlise lo tseo cause a ke rena a ba tlisa di handout tsa marotho re sa wa tseya, re sa smile le bona. Ba drive mo metseng a di tshila, ba drive mo dipotolong, ba feta matlakala a leng teng ona mo ile deputy minister, a whole deputy minister, guys, a whole deputy minister. Nega na ke ja go lela maka na ke ja go lela maka and ra ba tloela iskale tla ba re sela mabone mo Mushongo iskale o tla ba sela mabone mara no batla gona ba no ra ba tloela re smela le bona a re bole selo le bona batho ba re tsa marotho ra ba thabela. Guys, no, this can't be it, Pillions. It can't be. Re ka se dumelle dlala ke di politicians so, guys. It can be. Ke sho ntse ko kasi no hospane a ona le zaka ona mela ka tsheno ro marketa le sasawa wa ikere cause ba busy ba ira corruption o apply the phone to zanga wa ikere mara batla mo ba o fa borotho and wa botseya and you don't even ask for answers and you don't even want to question them. What they do, but they insult us. This is an insult, guys. This is an insult. This is an insult, guys. So it's an insult, guys. Na ba fita ke itse mo location so le bjang go botlhoko ba Mosotho mo Mzansi because a black government still treats black people this way. Go raile ko kasi ba tlise marotho. That's it. Close the department a ekwa a ishiya. Whereas even all serious ka o thusa setšhaba sa Mushongo, she would have came in the department ba share the opportunity le teng, enroll young people in the department, ba hire batho ba ba tsentse mmereko, address issues community na leng tsona, not to tlisa marotho, guys. So mara re makala nke re ke la go le di election ona beno ba tlotla ba ntse ba re fora ba tlisa marotho ba tlisa dikipa ba tlisa di eng. Mara this can't be it, guys. We need to do something about the behavior ya ANC communicationing. I'm happy when I see it go di steering go ba koba ba sa banyake. Mara rena mo Mushongo mo rena re sa masaja di feelings tsa bona, re sa ba tshwara sharpo a re ile wetse ke ra ba wetse keng ke mathata. Motho ke deputy minister, guys. They serve at the highest. She is part of deputy, she is part of the Ramaphosa's cabinet. Ke motho ka ntsa instruction ka bishiu wa kolomakiwa wa tliswa matlakala wa ira eng. They sit in some of the highest decision-making structures, DMO. So ashiriwe ba fethu. I get what's your view on this, but now it really hurt me again. One this inclusive talk, guys. A lot.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Bani bakwatile lapha etinkundleni zokuxhumana ngemva kokuthi babone ama-video la-circulator-ko abantu be-ANC banika phakathi etinkwa kesana babaniketa tinkwa bathi one loaf or one family bathi ANC ithi sinikele tinkwa nidle. Like people are just so like shocked ukuthi hey boy ANC but iyahlala basicabange before into something. I'm just thinking to myself nami ukuthi ngibani lo ndala uma decisions lawo lo vela abone nje ukuthi yeah it's a good idea sende njalo asibanike intingo abantu like bantu bafuna umsebenzi bra like people are unemployed abantu ma graduates they don't have jobs so wena ubanika tingwa uthi bayodla tingwa like really people are saying ukuthi nje ANC ayisithathi nje serious ayisiboni ngiyo lesibekela sikhona namuhla but like bayadlala ngebantu Nkosi yami because they know ukuthi abantu baswele ba unemployed vele singwange bahlale bengasathi because bantu balambile people are unemployed people don't have money yebo so kubanika tingwa abantu ngeke basekele singwa but uyaba insulta kahle do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.